Sequence 2, as we learned, is usually about what? What's sequence, Larry, what's sequence 2 about? The second half of Act 1. Sequence 2 is logic and debate. Sometimes, in the case of Back to the Future, you need a lot of exposition and explanation, where Dr. Emmett Brown is saying, I built this time machine, and Marty's like, what? Really? So they're sort of debating about Doc's creation, and then he even tests it. He puts Einstein in the car, and he tests it. And so the audience realizes, wow, it actually does work. And we get a shot of the flux capacitor, and the audience is sold the idea that this is what makes time travel possible, the flux capacitor. So, answer again, what's the turning point? Good. The actual moment of the actual turning point is when he's in the car trying to escape, and he hits 88, and he goes back in time. We don't have the story until Marty's thrust back in time. How about, Jordan, what's the turning point of The Matrix?
You take the blue pill. The story ends.
Yeah. Do you see that taking the pill is the same thing as going back in time?
You take the red pill.
When he takes the pill, he's thrust out of the Matrix. When Marty goes back in time, he's thrust out of 1985. What is the turning point of Star Wars? Do you remember the very first Star Wars movie, what the turning point is?
Finds his uncle killed.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Good. When you study this theory, you'll find different people calling these things by different terms. And it should be obvious to you that they all mean the same thing. Like here, in the middle of Act 2, what do we have in the middle of Act 2? The big change. So some people are trying to use simple words to describe the same things.